Today we are going to see how to view your Form 26AS, a consolidated tax statement. Firstly, you have to visit Income Tax India efiling.gov.in website. You have to enter your user ID and password, captcha code and login. Once you log in, you have to go to the My Account, view Form 26AS. Next, you have to press Confirm. You will be redirected to the TDS CPC website to view your Form 26AS. You have to select Yes, I agree, proceed. Now you have to click View Tax Credit Form 26AS to view your Form 26AS. Basically, Form 26AS is the annual tax statement. So whenever if any person is paying you money, if there is any TDS or TCS, or if bank is paying you interest on deposits, or say if you have a commercial property and while paying the rent, if the tenant deducts some tax and gives you, the tax will be deposited with the government and that will be mentioned in the statement. If you get any dividends which are taxable, then any TDS deducted will also reflect in the statement. You have to select view now. You have to select the assessment year and view as. Assessment year is nothing but the 1 year more than the current financial year. For example, in 2020, the financial year will be 2020 to 21, but here it is stated as assessment year. So assessment year would be 2021 to 22. Assessment year is always 1 year greater than the current financial year. Here you have to select view as HTML and press view bar download. Now you have to select the export as PDF option. Now it will be downloaded. See, it is downloaded here. As you can see here, this is your Form 26AS downloaded from the Traces website. Common man should log in into the ITR filing website and then go to the Traces via that link, or he can also log into the net banking and then go to the Traces website via the link provided in the net banking portal. Another way to view your Form 26AS is directly download it from the Traces website by directly logging into the Traces website. Log into the link contents.tdscpc.gov.in, press continue. Now you have to press login. If you are coming to this website for the first time, then you have to select register as new user, taxpayer. Here you have to enter your PAN number, date of birth, last name or surname and verification code, which are mandatory items, and you have to register. So there are 5 steps in this registration process. Once you register, for the successive login attempts, you can directly go to login. There are 2 options here, deductor and taxpayer. Deductor means your organization or an establishment or your employer will be registering as a deductor. Say if the bank which provides you interest for you the FD and it deducts TDS at the source, then they come under the deductor. Individual should select taxpayer/PAO. One has to enter their user ID. User ID is nothing but the PAN number. User ID for taxpayer, see the point number 3. User ID for taxpayer will be the PAN number only. Then you have to enter the password. You have to enter the PAN number once again and enter the verification code and press login. Once you log in, you have to select I agree to the usage bar acceptance of Form 16/16A generated by Traces and press proceed. Here you have to select view bar verify tax credit, view Form 26AS. So this is the same procedure now which you have used earlier. We have to select the assessment year and select the HTML view bar download. Thank you.